Good afternoon, classmates. We are going to tackle about Mercado Line and Alonso Line. Domingo Lamco. Domingo Lamco is a Chinese immigrant and business tycoon. Don Domingo Lamco, or in his Chinese name, Qiu Yi Lam, of Laguna, was the great-great-grandfather of Jose Rizal, or Dr. Jose Rizal. Lamco is originally from Amoy, China, who came in the Philippines in the 17th century. Ines de la Rosa. Ines de la Rosa is the great-great-grandmother of Jose Rizal. She is the wife of Domingo Lamco. She belonged to an entrepreneurial family in Binondo. Ines was the daughter of Agustin Chinco and Jacinta Rafaela, a Chinese mestiza resident of the Parian. Francisco Chinco Mercado was born on 1731 and died on 1801. Domingo Lamco is his father and Ines de la Rosa is his mother. Francisco Chinco Mercado became an influential man in Binyan. He can be considered rich based on the large number of the carabaos he owned. 1729 is the birth year of Cirila Bernacha or Bernarda Vargas Monicha in Tubigan, Binyan City, Laguna. Her contributions are often associated with promoting and preserving Peruvian musical heritage.
Juan Mercado. Juan Mercado was born in Binyan, Laguna, Philippines. He married Cirilia Alejandra at the age of 22. He was also elected as a gobernadorcillo in Binyan. Yung gobernadorcillo ay tinatawag na pinuno ng bayan. Kaya siya naging pinuno ng bayan ay nagpakita siya ng kanyang mataas na antas na edukasyon at impluensya sa bayan. And he was a Filipino diplomat, lawyer, and educator. Cirilia Alejandra was born about 1770 in Binyan, Laguna. As the daughter of Juan Xiangco and Maria Gonyo, she had at least 4 sons and 1 daughter with Juan Mercado. She died in 1831 in Binyan, Laguna at the age of 62. A Chinese-Filipina mestiza. She had 14 children and the youngest was Francisco Mercado Rizal, the father of Jose Rizal. Eugenio Orsova. Eugenio Orsova, a Spanish-born artist and architect, was born on February 1, 1855. Siya nga po pala ay pinanganak sa Hinyang, Fujian, China and died on November 30, 1912. He is the best known for his contributions or modernist architecture and his work in the Spanish colony of the Philippines. Orsova was instrumental in shaping the architectural landscape of Manila during his time. Maliban sa architectural, siya po ay nagtrabaho din as a trader and entrepreneur. Ito pa pala ang pangasawa ni Eugenio Orsova. Benigna Orsova, born in 1794, died in 1868. On the paternal side, the great-great-grandparents of Jose Rizal, Domingo Lamco and Enes de la Rosa are both Chinese merchant traders, while on the maternal side, the great-great-grandparents were Eugenio Orsova, a Japanese, and Benigna is a Filipino.
Francisco Mercado Rizal. Francisco Mercado Rizal, also known as Francisco Rizal Mercado, was the father of Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines. He was hardworking and independent-minded who walked less but worked more and valiant spirit. He was born on May 11, 1888 in Binyan, Laguna, Philippines. Died on January 5, 1898 at the age of 80. He was a farmer and successful landowner. He became a tenant farmer of the Dominican-owned hacienda. He studied Latin and philosophy at College de San Jose. Rizal affectionately called him a model of father.
Manuel D. Quintos was attorney of Manila graduate from Santo Tomas University, whose family were Chinese mestizo of Pangasinan. The lawyer's father, on the same name, had been municipal captain of Lingayen, and uncle was leader of Chinese mestizo in the protests they had made against the arbitrariness of their provincial governor. Regina Ursua, wife of Manuel D. Quintos, was born September 28, 1850, and died on October 1, 1902. She was a mother of Ceresal's wife, Josephine Branking. She was a part of permanent Filipino families involved in the social-political sphere during the late 19th century. His life and family connections significantly influenced Ceresal's personal and political life.
Lorenzo Alberto was born in 1917 in Pasig Metro, Manila. His father is Captain Kefranio Alonso, was 57, and his mother is Doña Florentina. They were parents of at least 5 sons and 2 daughters. He died on March 11, 1854 in Biñan, Laguna, Philippines, of the age of 64. Brigada de Quintos, born in Biñan, Laguna, Philippines, on 1788 to Manuel Facundo de Quinto. Brigada de Quintos married Lorenzo Alberto Alonso and 5 children. She passed away on 1856 in Calamba, Laguna, Southern Tagalog, Philippines.
Teodora Alonso Yolanda, born November 8, 1826 in Manila. Educated at the College of San Rosan, prestigious school for girls in Manila. A remarkable woman, possessing refined culture, literary talents, business ability, and a fortitude of a Spartan woman. First teacher of the hero. Taught Jose Spanish language, made necessary correction in poem, composition, and gave good advice in rhetoric. A mathematician and a lover of books. Theodora died on August 16, 1911 in Manila at the age of 85. So siya ang nagturo kay Rizal na Spanish language. She was known for being a disciplinarian as well as a dedicated, courteous, and hardworking mother. Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Realonda, a Philippine hero. June 19, 1861, Rizal was born in the town of Calamba, province of Laguna, Philippines. June 12, 1861, he was baptized in the Catholic Church in Calamba. He knows about 22 languages. He is a traveler, a talented, brilliant, and genius man of honor, an ophthalmologist, a poet, a novelist, philosopher, and a historian. He also a farmer, businessman. He executed on December 30, 1896 in Manila. Rizal is a Renaissance man with a wide range of talents. Was a prominent figure in the enlightened Filipino class. His political ideas were influenced by his extensive European education in Madrid, Paris, and Heidelberg. His 2 novels, No Limitang Hera and El Filibusterismo, sparked a national Filipino consciousness. The novels banned by the Spanish were smuggled into the Philippines and read by the Ilustrados, sparking the Philippines Revolution. Rizal was deported to the eastern island of the Philippines, but was arrested for revolutionary agitation and convicted of treason. His death in 1996 marked a pivotal turning point in the revolution, and his death is now commemorated as a national holiday in the Philippines.